here. Behind me today, I'm going to be showing you this quick little project that we did. We had a customer call us a couple days ago, and he was calling us and needed to get this done in a rush. So I gave him an estimate real quick. He got it approved by the neighbor, called me back, gave me the approval, went and picked up the materials, came here on his schedule, and also worked with ours, so it worked out perfectly. This right here just got damaged during one of the parties when the parents were away, and we just came in, fixed it real quick. And if you need a fence repair, quick one, emergency, go ahead and give us a call and we can help you out.